Welcome watching our video. The BoostSolutions Calendar Rollup App allows you to aggregate calendar events from SharePoint Online calendars, group calendars, and personal calendars in one place. By color-coding events based on different calendar sources, it makes it easy to identify and categorize information, making it better for tracking your meetings and schedules. In this video, I will walk through how to use the product to aggregate the calendars on SharePoint Online site. Firstly, add a Calendar Rollup Web part in the site. If you cannot find the web part, please contact your administrator to add the app to your site. Now, the web part is added on the site. Click Edit Web Part icon on the Calendar Rollup Web part. On the right side panel, specify a default view on the web part. Here I select Month View. You can specify the week, day, or event agenda to show the events by default. Show Calendar Selector. When you select this option, it will show all the added calendar sources and allows users to choose which calendars will be displayed. Auto-refresh calendars. Select this option to automatically update calendar data according to a specified schedule, every 10 minutes by default. Show a color-coded legend on top of the calendar. If you select this option, all color-coded legends will be displayed at the top of the calendar. Here we select them all. Next, I will add a SharePoint calendar to the web part. On the right side panel, click Next to go to the second page. Click on Add, then click Add SharePoint List from the drop-down list. In the pop-up dialog, specify a name for the incoming calendar. This name will be shown on the Calendar Rollup Web part. Specify a color for this calendar source. The events of this calendar source will be displayed in the specified color. Select a site from the drop-down list. Then, select a calendar. You can also select a SharePoint list here. And then, select a list view. The items in that view will be displayed on the web part. If you select a calendar list, the calendar columns will be automatically mapped. Then, specify who can add, edit, or delete event items on Calendar Rollup Web part. If you do not specify users, it will maintain the same permission settings as SharePoint. Here, I keep it as default. Click OK to save the settings. Now, you can see the events of selected calendar are shown on the web part as this. Next, I add a SharePoint group calendar on the web part. Click Add and then click Add Group Calendar from the drop-down list. In the pop-up dialog, specify a name for this calendar. This name will be shown on the Calendar Rollup Web part. Select a group calendar from the drop-down list. Specify a color to represent the calendar source. Keep others as default and click OK to save the settings. As you can see, the events of group calendar are shown on the web part. Then, I add a personal calendar on the web part. Click Add, and then click Add Personal Calendar from the drop-down list. In the pop-up dialog, specify a name for the calendar, such as My Calendar. Specify a color to represent the calendar source. Click OK to save the settings. As you see, the events of the personal calendar are displayed on the web part. The events will vary based on the logged-in user. For example, if the logged-in user is Adele, the web part will display events from Adele's calendar. Click Republish. Now the web part is available for all users. After adding calendars on the web part, you manage the event as same as in source calendar. The changes will be saved to the source calendars. To add an event, double-click on a date. In the pop-up dialog, select a calendar source. The columns displayed in the dialog may vary depending on the calendar source. If a group and personal calendar is selected, an attendee column will be displayed. Add details based on your needs, like the title, start and end time. Then, click Save. As you see, the event is created on the web part. You can also edit or delete an event on the web part. Please note that the event or all events in this series will be deleted from the calendar source. BoostSolutions Calendar Rollup offers flexible display options to suit your preferences. You can view the calendar events by month, by week, or by day. Even better, you can view a list of upcoming events in the most recent 30 days in an agenda view, and all events are grouped by day. You can see the date and time of the event, along with a title. BoostSolutions' Calendar Rollup comes with a 30 days free trial. Just add the app to your SharePoint site, you can start exploring its features. If you need any help, our support team is always available to assist you. We hope this tool helps make your SharePoint experience even better. Thank you for watching.